Are you a first-time writer? Have you thought about getting your book published yet? Where do you start? What are your options? And how does it all work? Guys, this is Sushant from Notion Press Publishing, and here's everything you need to know about publishing your book explained in 2 minutes. If you've already written your book and are ready to get it published, you have 3 options. Submit your manuscript to a traditional publisher for a review and see if they're willing to publish it, or you could approach a self-publishing platform similar to Notion Press to get your book published. You can also do it yourself using platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing or the Express Publishing platform from Notion Press. Writers prefer traditional publishing as an option primarily because the investment required to publishing a book is borne by the publisher, in return for which the publisher will own the rights for the book and has the final say in all things related to publishing the book. The author gets paid a small royalty of anywhere between 7.5 to 12% of the profits from sales. While the royalty might seem small, certain big-name publishers with a vast distribution network can help put your book in hundreds of stores to increase the volume of sales. On the flip side, however, traditional publishing houses get bombarded with hundreds of manuscripts every month, and they take a long time to even go through them. This makes the whole process of publishing a whole lot longer, around 6 months or so to even hear back sometimes. And more often than not, first-time authors find it impossible to get a contract due to the perceived risk in publishing an unknown name. Self-publishing platforms like Notion Press allow the author the freedom to publish the way they want to. The author owns 100% of the rights to their book and takes home 100% of the profits from sales. The author also has the final say in all decisions made during the publishing process. The upside to working with a publishing platform is that you get to work with your own dedicated team of experts who can take care of different parts of the publishing process like design, editing, and marketing. The process of publishing is also much faster, anywhere between 30 to 45 days to get a book published and into the stores. Your third and final option would be to publish your book by yourself using platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. This would essentially require you to take care of every aspect of the publishing process, like the cover design, the formatting, editing, etc. by yourself. The Express Publishing platform from Notion Press makes it a whole lot easier for you to publish with the help of easy-to-use tools that can be used to design and format your book in a matter of just minutes. And the best part is, it supports as many as 8 Indian languages. Do-it-yourself platforms are completely free to use and just take a small percentage from your book sales as a commission. So guys, this was everything you need to know about publishing a book explained in 2 minutes. If you still have further questions about publishing your book specifically, do put it down in the comment sections below and I will get to it as soon as possible. I'll catch you soon with more tips in the next video.